Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to this guide on crafting a hearty chili with canned beans. It's a fantastic, quick meal perfect for any day. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll need a few cans of your favorite beans like kidney or pinto, along with diced tomatoes and a good chili powder. Don't forget your protein, whether it's ground beef, turkey, or a vegetarian option, plus fresh aromatics like onions and garlic. Let's get cooking. Now let's begin the cooking process. First, brown your chosen protein in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. Once done, carefully drain any excess fat to keep your chili from being too greasy. Next, add your diced onions, minced garlic, and chopped bell peppers to the pot. Sauté these aromatic vegetables until they become wonderfully softened and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. With your aromatics softened, it's time to combine everything. Add your canned beans, diced tomatoes, a small can of tomato paste, and a generous amount of chili powder to the pot. Stir in other spices like 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a pinch of cayenne pepper if you like a little heat. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your chili is almost ready. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. For an extra layer of flavor, consider stirring in a splash of apple cider vinegar or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. It really brightens the dish. Serve your hot, delicious chili with your favorite toppings like shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh cilantro. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.